Yo, what's good, everybody? So the day has finally come. We haven't been on YouTube in how long, Baca?
3 weeks.
Damn, it's been a minute. We're definitely gonna start picking up the YouTube game, but I wanted to come back with like a big it's not like a bang. What is it? I mean, I've got a few new things. First of all, right, I'll show you guys my new watch. So this is the Bubba Watson RM 055 from Richard Mille. I got it from my boys at Timepiece Trading. So if you guys ever want to read something from Timepiece Trading, just hit up Timepiece Trading, tell them that I sent you guys, and maybe they'll, you know, give you some time of a discount or hookup or like family friendly package. Other than that, you know, this has been a dream watch that I've been working for literally, damn, the last like 3 years. I think even at the beginning of this year, I'm like, watch, Baca, by the end of the year, I'm gonna get an RM. And I did. This is my third RM, which is crazy. Level up has been insane. But I wanted to kind of update you guys on some things. So most of you guys may know, I actually sold my black SVJ for another car, which you guys will see in like the next hour or two or so, right? We're gonna go to the dealer and pick it up, right? Also, I got the 720 back, and I actually sold the 812 as well, and I actually ended up getting my 488 or 488. I actually got my new F8, Ferrari F8, right? Which is super dope. I think it's sick as fuck, and I think it has way more road presence than the 812 does, and it drives amazing, bro. This car is so fast. I literally got this car like 2 days ago out of the blue because I went to the dealership to go pick up a check, and I saw this car behind my new car, and I was like, damn, they would look crazy together in the garage. So the current lineup is, we got the Urus 720, the F8, the new car, and then I have a Rolls Royce Cullinan that I ordered, which is custom spec. So like I said, the garage update, we got the F8, we got the 720, we got the Urus. We're gonna go pick up the new car, and then I have a Cullinan that I ordered, which they told me should be here around March. Hopefully it gets here before that. So we'll kind of see what goes on over the next few months. Hopefully it does get here before that. But anyways, we're late. I got a meeting at 2:30, so we're gonna start heading over to the dealership. I'll do my meeting there while they kind of prep the car and get everything ready. Alright guys, so I kind of wanted to give you guys a little bit of an update since I haven't been on YouTube in so long, and we hit 60K subscribers, I believe. We hit 60K subscribers, which is dope. It's dope because I average maybe like 30,000 a video, and then like my really good videos will get like 100,000 views, which is insane. But I wanted to give you guys an update, also get your guys' opinion, because I'm not like fully into the real estate game just yet. Like, I'm just kind of getting started in it. So I kind of have two options here, right? I actually got an offer on my house, which I currently live at now, for $2 million flat. And I bought my house for $1.4 million, I believe, last September, right? So what me and my real estate agent did was, because I know there's an impending market crash coming, maybe, I don't know, we were talking numbers, we could see like 40, 50, even possibly 60%. Apparently the crash is gonna be, the housing market crash is gonna be worse than 2008. What I was thinking about doing was, we listed my house for $2.1 million, and we've already gotten like 2 or 3 offers, and that's for sale. So if I were to sell my house for $2.1 million, I would probably cash out like $1 million or so after taxes, like $1,100,000 or so after taxes. Then after fees and after taxes and everything else, I would be looking at an overall profit of, let's call it, I believe $700,000, and then I get my initial down payment back from what I put on the property, which is, I believe, almost $400,000. So I'd get like $1,100,000 back from that, which is great. Now my plan with that would be to essentially be as liquid as I possibly can for the housing market crash, so then I can go and invest in like multifamily properties, or potentially even buildings that have 14, 15 units. But realistically, I don't know when the market crash would be, so it's kind of like I'd be sitting on so much cash for almost no reason. Then option number 2 is, my house is actually up for rent. Like, nothing is concrete yet. I haven't made a decision. Maybe I'll stay in my house, maybe I won't, right? But option number 2 is, my house actually up for rent, and the rent is $15,000 on my house. My mortgage is $7,000, so I'd be making almost, what, $8,000, like an $8,000 profit, let's kind of call it. That obviously not profit because I got to pay taxes and everything, right? But I'll be making an $8,000 like gross profit from renting my house, and that's every single month. And then I could just go rent another house that's like 8, 9, 10 grand, maybe have a $2,000 rent, or maybe even potentially living rent free. And I have already 2 people that want to go see the house for rent, and then the rent would be $15,000. So I don't know if maybe I want to rent my house, because then I still own my property, and then the tenants are paying the mortgage for me, and I could just kind of maybe even go buy another house if I wanted to. But I don't want to buy a house at the inflated market price right now either. So go rent the house for a little bit, wait for the market to crash, and then maybe start like a real estate portfolio that way, where I have a bunch of different rental units. So I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. Comment down below what you guys think I should do, what you guys would do if you were in my position. So far as of right now, I'm kind of leaning on just selling the property, although I don't want to really, because I feel like it'll be a lot harder to find somewhere to move into quick. Yeah. Right? But I mean, the way I see things is I'm a trader, right? If I see opportunity that I can kind of like make money or make a return on my investment, like think about it this way. I put 400K, maybe like 500K in total into my house, and I'd be profiting like $700,000 after taxes. That's over 100% return in 8 months, which is fucking insane, right? And what I mean by like in total, like investment I have in my house, I'm talking about the down payment, the monthly payments, the renovations I did to the landscaping, the front yard, the backyard, the pool renovations, the master bedroom renovations, like all of that, I'm total in maybe like $500,000 in my house, right? And again, I make a 700K profit after taxes. So that would be over 100% return on investment, which in 8 months, you know, that's good, especially in real estate. So my trader mindset's kind of kicking in, like, bro, close this trade, even though it's not like an actual trade. It's like, close the trade, right? What are you doing, right? So that's kind of the way I'm looking at things. And then I just go get in a rental property for a little bit, and then just invest in a bunch of multifamily units when I have the opportunity to, and when the opportunity presents itself, and then I start my real estate portfolio that way. Anyways, let me know what you guys think. We're on the way to the dealership right now. Once we get there, we'll show you what is going to replace SVJ. Alright guys, anyways, so this is my brand new 2021 Lamborghini. Wow. Lamborghini Svj Roadster. So my last SVJ was a 2019 Roadster, had 6,000 miles. This SVJ is a 2021 SVJ with 500 miles, and this paint is a factory matte blue paint, which this is the only SVJ in the entire United States with this factory color, especially with the paint. Now, this car has every single carbon fiber option marked off that you could possibly have. We have the wing, the rear bumper, this piece, I don't know what it's called, but this piece is carbon fiber here. We have the carbon fiber side skirts, the carbon fiber roof, which this, I fell in love with it. We have the carbon fiber front little, I don't know what to call this thing.
That's the canard.
Yeah, but literally Every carbon fiber option is marked off on this car. As you guys can see, I have my old wheels in the car, I have my old exhaust on the car already. Carbon fiber side skirts too, I didn't have those in the last car also. And interior is a little bit different. This is black and yellow, the last one was blue. I don't know what I want to do. Let me know what you guys think, because I don't know if I really like the yellow here. So I don't know, maybe I just do the SVJ entire like carbon fiber, because this is the wrap. This I can get taken off. The full car is already PPF'd, right? So I don't even have to do PPF. I literally don't have to do anything else to this car. But I think I do want to get new wheels. Let me know what you guys think. I'm not too sure yet. I like the wheels in this car, but the wheels are kind of outdated, so I kind of want to get new wheels. But yeah, this car is insane. I waited for this car. Oh, even this piece on the car right here, the bar and the X bar over here is carbon fiber. I think they told me it's like a $30,000 option just for that piece, which is crazy, right? I'm so happy. Finally got the car. The only thing I don't have on this car is a fucking cup holder, so I gotta order the cup holder. But other than that, this car is literally fully spec'd out. And I decided to get into a newer SVJ with lower miles, so I can keep the miles lower, so when the Aventador replacement does come out and Lamborghini does stop making naturally aspirated cars, so they said already that they were done making naturally aspirated cars, this car should be worth, maybe in the future, if I keep the miles low, under 2,500, 1.2, 1.3, versus my last SVJ will maybe only go up to 1.1 because of the year and because of the miles. Typically, the newer Roadsters are the ones that are more expensive. I bought this car for a very comfortable price, but this car will definitely appreciate and value more than the last SVJ that I had. So I decided to kind of get into something a little bit newer. Anyways, let's go to the crib.